Oh, we've got another Kickstarter product today. Oh yes, this one's actually kind of neat. I've done a lot of like batteries and stuff like that for like external batteries for, let's say, your cell phone or whatever when you're traveling. But like a lot of them, you end up having to bring all kinds of extra cables or whatever it is, right, along with you. These companies have approached it a little differently. This is a IV cable, and as you can see here, it's the instantly charge your phone whenever and wherever. Seems like a traditional battery, but what makes this different is it's a battery and a cable, battery cable combo, which is kind of cool. So this is going to be a Kickstarter campaign. Now, again, I like seeing Kickstarter campaigns that actually have a product made already, which these have, because it's in my hand. But like all Kickstarters, approach it with a little bit of caution, of course. Anyways, this is it here. I don't know what this price is going to be. Battery power wise, you're looking at, they say 3,000 milliamp hours. It is a 60 watt cable, so it will be able to send 60 watts of power through it, which means that the batteries themselves should be able to charge pretty fast, as well as anything that requires upwards of 60 watts or can take 60 watts of charging. This cable will be able to provide, which means you could easily charge something like your phone off of this. You could charge your GoPro or Insta360, your camera, right? A full-size camera, for instance. You could charge your laptop. Now, charging a laptop, of course, you only have a maximum of 3,000 kilowatt hours. But at least, let's say had to send some extra emails or something like that, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm running completely out of power. At least it would give you just enough to get it back to where you need it. And the other thing is, because this is a battery and a cable, you could, which is actually nice, because how many times have we gone out and been like, I'm going to take my battery with me. And then you go to take your battery with you and your battery's dead because you forgot it's been in a drawer and it's discharged and it's got no power in it. Because you could use this as your normal day-to-day cable, right? You could have this plugged in all the time, plugged in charging your laptop, for instance. That means your laptop is charged. This battery is charged, which is super cool. And then you just unplug it, take it with you, and you got a charged battery on the go, right? So this is it right here. I don't know if they're going to come up with different colors. Right now, of course, it is USB-C on one end, which makes sense. And on this side, they have a dual cable. So you have a USB-C and and a lightning cable. So the lightning cable itself really is just an adapter in this little like plastic. So if you want to use that, you just kind of slide this cable back and just kind of attach it in there. Now, what I would have liked, and I'm sure you could just do this with a pair of scissors if you really wanted to. I would have liked them to just either have this adapter maybe loose. I get why they didn't, because they want to make it compatible. But I don't really have any products anymore that require lightning. So for me, I would probably I may just cut this off, and just because why have this here at all for me. But you may have an older phone that needs lightning, or you have an older Magic Mouse or something. Actually, I do have a Magic Mouse, so it does need lightning, so I could use that for this, for sure. But yeah, you would just plug that in there, right? This says this is the output, of course, so don't use this to go to the wall. But when this is done, this is a cable. It's not plugged into anything, and as you can see, right, you get a little bit more reach because of that, and these are just magnetic, so it kind of goes in your bag nice. I do kind of wish on maybe like this side, or on this side, there was a little clamp or something so that you could clamp these down so that it stayed in place. Nitpicking, yeah, but you know what? It's something that I wish for. It's a Kickstarter. Maybe they can take it and be like, yeah, let's figure out how to put a little clamp there so we can clamp onto that cable. Or, since these are magnetic, if this was magnetic on this side, which I'm not sure if it is, but they could make it magnetic and then just have something on here which was metal so that it would magnetically snap on, right? Just so that these aren't completely just hanging out there. That's my only thing. But I'm looking for things that I'm like, this could make it better, right? Anyways, it's very cool. Very cool. I do like that, right? Great concept. It's not a it's one of those things that I'm like, why didn't somebody else think of that? That seems, 60 watt. Yeah, and then as you can see, it's not plugged into anything. I just simply take this, make sure you take the output side, right? And for me, let's see, I'll plug that in there. Boom, charging. you know, it is what it is. It's very cool. And you do get a little light there that shows that it is actually charging. And if I were to plug this into a battery brick or plug it into an outlet on the, like a power brick thing that you plug into the wall, as long as that power brick could actually push out 60 watts or more, then you'd actually have 60 watts of charging that would be charging the battery and charging the device on the other side. So in that instance, charging your laptop, again, as long as it doesn't need like 80 or 100, it would still charge it. It just wouldn't charge it at full speed. Anyways, I think this is really cool. I think this is really cool. This is going to go in my bag for sure. I think this is one of those products that a lot of people would use. I think a lot of people would use this. I think it's really neat. Anyways, the other thing that this could have came with is a bag. Just a little bag that, you know, and it may, I don't know, it's in Kickstarter phase, right? So you may be able to say, like, I want this, and for an extra $10, there's a little bag pouch. But I think a bag for this would be awesome just to keep it nice and tight. Anyways, I will put the Kickstarter link down below once I have it. I don't know what the prices is for this, but if it's reasonable, I think it's a cool idea. I think it's a cool idea. All right, guys, this is the IVYCABLE 60 watt, 3000 milliamp hours. Yeah, should charge your phone pretty much close to full if it's completely depleted. And it should charge up fast with 60 watts. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Links to their Kickstarter, and I will see you tomorrow or the next day. One of the two. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.